Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In the short tutorial, I will discuss about no service problem on your iPhone after iOS 18 update. So how can I fix it? Open setting application on your iPhone. Here is tap on cellular or mobile data, and here is tap on network selection, and make sure it's automatic selected. Now go back from here, and now guys tap on cellular data options. Here make sure you have to 5G select if you have to available 5G option. So after that, simply go back from here, then go back, click on general, and here is scroll down and find out date and time. Here is tap on it and make sure set automatically is selected. If not, simply turn on set automatically. Now go back from here, and here is the interface. Now simply scroll down and go back and turn on airplane mode for a few seconds. After a few seconds, turn back off. I hope this problem will be solved after this setting. If this not works, simply tap on general again, and now scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting. Guys, any problem inside your network will be solved after reset network setting. So guys, if this method not work after reset network settings, simply make sure check software is update is available. If software update is available, now update your software. You can say update software is available. After updating the software, I hope your problem will be solved. Now again setting application, the last method is tap on general, and now scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on erase all content and setting. Guys, once time erase all content setting, I hope your problem will be solved totally after erase all content and setting. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like,